Hello, myself Alisha Tajuddin Sayed. I am TYP firm student and today I am here to talk on pharmacist and COVID-19 pandemic diseases. Coronavirus disease is an infectious disease which is caused by SARS-CoV-2 which was first observed in December 2019 Wuhan, China. When we look back to the history of the infectious disease, we were found that world had faced a lot many of infectious disease earlier also, which includes Ebola, SARS, AIDS, and now it is a COVID-19. Contagious disease continue to threaten the world and disturb the human population, but since due to the efforts of the healthcare professionals and advanced science, we are able to overcome all these pandemic diseases. Health workers are the frontliners of any outbreak responses, and hence they put them into the hazards. Hazard may include pathogen exposure, long working hours, physical or psychological disturbances, etc. Pharmacist plays an important role in healthcare system, as it is a trusted resource for patient as well as the health professionals also. In turn, pharmacist can do a lot many to help during this time. And how pharmacist can help? By following certain guidelines which are given by the WHO. For example, during drug dispensing, pharmacists should pay extra attention on the patient's self-prevention and its emotional status. For example, pharmacist can ensure that whether the patient is wearing mask or not and performing its respiratory hygiene or not. If not, then patient shall provide a consultation on the same. Chronic disease management. Pharmacists voluntarily should give a guidance to the community patient population on chronic disease management to increase the patient medication adherence. Pharmacists shall also inform to the patient that there are availability of the e-pharmacy or online pharmacy in the pharmacy shop, so they can utilize the same during these pandemic conditions, and also inform to the patient to take its home medication on time as doses suggested. Patient education. Depending upon the need of the patients, pharmacists should provide a consultation service and patient education on early identification of the symptoms, proper medication and the time of the medication, the doses, how the doses shall be taken, etc. Pharmacists also inform to the patient that there are no any medication or therapeutic agent present which can cure the COVID-19, and don't take any blind medications so called as a wonder drug. As such, there are many more guidelines which are provided by the WHO which can be utilized by the pharmacist to help during this time. Me as a future pharmacist feel very proud to being a part of the healthcare system and saying a heartily thank you to the four frontliners of the healthcare system through this poem. Government now in a battle. Salute to the frontliners. Help them by staying at home. A battle that against the virus, not against each other. Help the government, help the frontliners, stay at home,